Hey guys, welcome back, and today's video is all about how I do my nails at home and a simple breakfast idea. Let's get into the video. For my simple breakfast, I'm going to fry 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add a little bit of spice and a pinch of salt, and also I'm going to use ghee to fry my egg. For the nail tutorial, I'm going to use these products and tools to make my work more easier, and the first step is to prep the nails. So I'll start by pushing back the cuticles. So next, this is the second step. I'm going to use cuticle nipper to cut and remove the excess cuticles. The next step is to buff the nails and then smoothen the nails. I'm using alcohol to wipe off the nails before I start now matching the perfect tips that I'm going to use for specific nails. I'm going to match each and every tip with my actual nail and ensure that the tips fit well with my nails before I fix them. To protect my skin, I'm going to use this Nivea Sun and apply it on my hands and also wear the gloves. I'm using spirit. You can use spirit or alcohol to wipe off the excess oils or cream, and this is going to help the glue to stick and not lift once you stick the nails. So this is the glue which I'm using. So I'm filing the inside of the nail to roughen it, and this is going to help the nail not to lift. Press the tips on the nails until it sticks like so, and also if in case of any excess of glue, you can use alcohol to wipe it off and also repeat the same process. Press on like so until it sticks. This is one of the best glue. It sticks well and does not damage the nails, and it is as simple as that. I have been doing my nails for the longest time, and you can see my nails are white. None of my nail is damaged, and we are done. That is it. I'm going to use this to cut off to the required length. I am okay with this length. So next, I'm going to file and buff the nails to enable the gel application smooth and to prevent the gel from peeling, and that's the shape I want. Now it's time to apply the gel, and this is the Galish, the best gel ever. I'm gonna apply the base coat like so. I'm loving this, guys. So I'm going to cure for only 30 seconds, and once I'm done, I'm going to continue with the color. I want pink. I love pink, and this is the one I got from China Square. Carefully apply the first layer and then cure it. I'm done applying on all of my nails, and for the excess, you can use acetone and then cure for another 30 seconds or more, depending on whether it's dry or not. And also I'm going to apply the other hand off camera. So after it has dried well, and I've also applied the top coat of camera, and that is it, guys. So next I'm going to remove excess gel. I'm gonna wipe off the gel with alcohol, and this is going to remove sticky gel and make your nails flawless and smooth when not sticky. And then this is the cuticle oil I use, and also this cuticle oil is so nice, helps your nails grow. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends. Like, bye.